Hey everybody! I'm here today to do a review and first impressions video on the GoPro Hero 8 Black action camera. I'll be going over is it worth it and what I think about this camera. So I actually just got this camera a couple of days ago and I absolutely love it. As you know, I make many YouTube videos. At the time of filming this, I have over 5,000 videos on this channel alone, and I also have other channels with many more videos as well that I haven't worked on in a while, but I have like literally probably well over 1,000 additional videos than the ones that you see on this channel. So the extra 1,000 are across other channels. So I have lots of videos, I do lots of filming. And I'm impressed by this action camera, I'm gonna tell you the truth, okay? So let's go over the features. First and foremost, let's look at the design. It looks absolutely incredible. I am 5'7.5" on a good day, so look at it compared to my hand. My hand isn't even that big. The camera is tiny, I love it, okay? I like this because I carry my camera around with me in my work bag pretty much everywhere I go. I bring it to work, I bring it to events, I bring it everywhere. I'm always filming something to have this number of videos out there. And this is even smaller than the camera that I'm using. So I like it because it's so unbelievably compact. The design of it is so simplistic that you have one button on the top, one button on the side, and then a screen that can be used as a touch screen. Absolutely incredible. Even the bottom pieces that are used to connect it to accessories fold in to make it even smaller, okay? Now let's go over some of the more technical features, okay? So once again, you see the lens right here. Okay, as you can see, 12 megapixel, and I have the box right beside me that I'm reading some of the facts from, just so it's clear. These are some of the facts that you'll find on the box. The lens right here, 12 megapixel, you have two screens on here. This is obviously a much larger screen, a much more complex screen, and this is a much smaller, more simplistic screen. You have 4K ability at 60 frames per second. Now for myself, my videos are 1080p, okay? So this is like way above and beyond what I would even need. But I do plan on upgrading to 4K in the future and filming in 4K when I get a little bit of a faster computer. So you guys can all look forward to that. You guys and girls can all look forward to improved quality in the future. And I'm probably going to end up using this camera for a lot of the filming, believe it or not, okay? It shows a water symbol and 33 feet or 10 meters, which I believe is the ability for its water resistance. Now, I can't speak on that whether, I'm confused as to whether or not you need an additional case. I believe that you would benefit from having a case around this because you can see there's a speaker part over here. So I believe that there is a case, but I have to do a little bit more research for that, just to be honest. So like, I'm not going to sit here and tell you what you can and can't do when I don't know for a fact. This is, like I said, also like a first impressions video. Now, I like the feel of it because it's got this touchy, grippy design on the outside. Now, like I said, when it says 33 feet, 10 meters with a water symbol beside it, I believe that's its water resistance level, but I don't know if you need an additional case. I don't know if I'd feel comfortable just putting this in the water. I believe that even if it didn't tell me to put a case around it, I'd probably put a case. But that's just me, okay? And it says 1080p live streaming, so you can even live stream from this, which is really cool. I myself don't really use live streaming right now, but definitely going to look into it in the future as something that I might want to do. I'm going to just turn the camera on. I haven't even put an SD card in this, okay? Sorry, I don't have an SD card in this now. I put an SD card in before, but I don't have an SD card in this now. Okay, that's why it says no SD. That's why we're not going to be recording for this video. So as you can see, it says standard 1080/60W, okay? Very simple. I can tap that right there. So it's going to show you the settings. So you can, obviously it's telling me I can adjust them. Okay, no problem. So as you can see, you have a standard preset. These are all presets. An activity preset, cinematic preset, slow-mo preset, okay? So the 1080 stands for 1080p. Okay, 60 is 60 frames per second, and wide is the wide angle, which is why, as you can see right here, I'm just going to tap that, which is why it looks so wide, as you can see right there. But the quality of the screen is absolutely phenomenal. Okay, I was at 25% battery life. I plugged this in for about, I would say 40 minutes, give or take, and it's already 83%, so it charges really fast. I might have been a little bit longer, might have been a little bit shorter with regards to my charging time, but nonetheless, it's really fast, okay? So I'm gonna turn this around. As you can see right there, that's the other screen. I'm sorry, I hit time lapse over there. No problem. There we go. So you can see the other screen gives you a whole bunch of things on the screen as well. Okay, which is really cool. Just basic information. And you know what? Like on my camera, I can flip the screen out, but I would love to not have to flip the screen out because I don't really care about the framing of it for myself. I need something like this, which quickly gives me information, right? I like the fact that I can flip my screen out, but you know, I don't really care about the framing of my videos that much. In addition to the camera itself, I'm going to just turn it off over here. Okay, there we go. I like the audible sounds as well. In addition to the camera itself, it came with the instructions, like a sort of like a quick start guide. It came with this mounting mechanism over here, as you can see, that you can use to mount it. And it came with this mounting sticky tab. So you can use this to mount it to a helmet or anything like that. And there are so many GoPro accessories that it's literally basically limitless what you can do with this thing in terms of its mounting capabilities. So that's it. I mean, overall, it's absolutely fantastic. The design is great. It's got Hyper Smooth 2.0, which means that, you know, it's going to be so smooth when you're moving it around. I myself, like I said, I'm probably going to be doing a lot of filming with this in the future, but I'm not going to even be using it to its fullest capabilities. Like I might do some videos that require me to go underwater or to place it inside of a washing machine or a dishwasher, something like that. That's what this is going to be useful for me for. But with regards to my regular filming, this is way above and beyond, but it's good. I'd rather have too much than too little. So for me, this is great. That's it. I hope you've enjoyed my little mini review and first impressions video of the GoPro Hero 8 Black action camera. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.